Hello everyone, welcome to my portfolio. In this video I'm going to show you how I decided to view my portfolio from the campus. I decided to use the portfolio as a tool to keep record of the tasks I completed. So I separate the folders in weeks, and each week has 2 days, Tuesdays and Fridays, which are the days the tasks from ICT were normally submitted on the Facebook group. And in each day are the documents with the tasks that were sent that day. So let's start with week 1. In week 1 we have Tuesday the 1st of September when the course started, and we have to make an introduction to the course. So here's my introduction. And on Friday we had a live meeting through Zoom, and it was about the subject, and I was present. And in week 2 we had the Tuesday 8th of September. We have 2 tasks to do. The first task was to define some terms: synchronous and asynchronous communication, blended learning, electronic learning, mobile learning, distant learning, remote learning. So that's the task I completed. And the second task was to share a new about against all odds. So here's the news I shared in the Facebook group. And on Friday we have 3 tasks. We talk about word cloud. So here's the word cloud I did. We have a Facebook live class, and I was absent, but I checked the attendance anyway. So, and the third task was browse the web. We had to browse the web and say which kind of learning education applies to the type of education the world has been having during quarantine. And in week 3, on Monday, we the teachers requested our email because we have to complete a Google Doc. So I share my email. And on Friday we have to complete 2 tasks on the campus, the classroom from the campus. On week 4, Tuesday, we work with a screen recorder. So here's my video I made with screen recorder.
Hola a todos, mi nombre es Eugenia Díaz Fuentes y vamos a ver las opciones.
On Friday, we had 2 tasks to complete on the Facebook group. And week 5 and Tuesday, we have to suggest an app to keep record of the achievement and participation in class. So I recommended this app that is called Academy, which is a classroom platform that helps professors deliver engaging lectures and record attendance and it allows professors to host live polls, quizzes, discussions, share content, invite a question and answer, and record attendance inside the classroom. And the app is also available in Play Store, so kind of a complete app. And the second task, imagine we are a primary school teacher at a private school. And on Friday, we had to work with the suggestion post on 29th of September. Week 6, we only had classes on Friday, so we had 3 tasks about infographics. We have to share an infographic. We have to answer what is an infographic, what can we use them for, and what an infographic should have. And the last task was create an infographic. And in week 7, we work with tools and resources. So we have to share 2 apps that I use as tools and 2 apps that I use as resources. And then we have to watch Miss this video on Facebook, and we have to answer to the last questions she asked us in the video. And on Friday, we had a live meeting through Meet with 2 guests. It was an interesting meeting. In week 8, we have Friday. We also work only on Friday. We have to complete a Google Doc about tools and resources. It was an interesting activity. I loved this Google document. Very interesting. And in week 9, we have Friday also. We have podcasts about Aula Invertida, and we have a Kahoot game about Aula Invertida. We work with Aula Invertida this week, so here is the tasks. And on week 10, last week, was the 3rd of November, where Miss D shared a video about modalidades de educación. A very interesting video. And that's how I decide to fill my portfolio from the campus. I think from the 30 tasks that were delivered, I completed 23 or 24 of them, so probably the final mark I deserve can be an 8. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.